Welcome to the Now You Know podcast, a podcast that will guide you to successfully navigate the online world and give you, as a super bonus, some thought-provoking takes on life. Without further ado, here is your host, entrepreneur, marketer, professor, and author, Flavio Salza. We are happy to have you here today. Enjoy the show.
Hello, all right, so today's topic is about scheduling posts. But if you did not listen yet the last week episode on Outposts, I really recommend you to go back and listen to that one first because I think this is a complement of the last episode. But if you don't have time, and I hear you, I can boil down for you right here. Outposts equal Okay, that being said, now let's talk about scheduling a post. Now, scheduling a post is nothing to do with Outposts, because scheduling a post is crafted by you, not bots, and to be published in a later time is a good idea, and it will help you to enhance your online presence in different time zones. So it's a very interesting way for you to basically be online 24 hours without being online 24 hours, right? So sometimes you want to specify a particular time for publishing. Let's suppose that you discover that majority of your listeners' prime time would be around 4 p.m. in your local time. And that's happened to me here in Japan, right? So due to the time zones different between Japan and Europe or the US, I have to schedule posts. And I think scheduling posts, it's a given on this kind of situation because it helps you a lot. So it's a tool, basically, and will help you to schedule a post.
New schedule, 8:15 to 10, rock history. 10 to 11, rock appreciation and theory. And then band practice till the end of the day.
What about math?
No, not important.
World cultures?
Not important.
So it will alleviate your schedule in the morning and bring down your stress level to have, to wake up early every morning to actually do a post. In my case, right, because of the time difference between, like I explained, in Europe and Japan and the US. Another benefit is whenever you take a break or a vacation,
one eternity later,
but you don't want your listeners to wait until you return from the retreat for the news or updates from you. In other words, you want to keep them in the loop while you are having a vacation. So you can schedule some posts to just break the ice and keep somehow keep with your listeners, somehow remind you of yourself during your vacation. So it's a win-win, right? So as you can see, definitely the usage of scheduling posts has clear benefits and should be on your radar when you face a similar situation like I explained here. So as action, do some research on scheduling web tools because there are a lot websites and depending on your social media platform, they might even the platform itself can allow you to schedule posts. So check these out as well. But again, if you cannot find in your particular social media site, there are a lot of tools and software and websites that can help you to scheduling a post, and most of them are free, so you don't lose anything with that. Also in the Now You Know guidebook, by the way, actually some of you ask me where can they find the Now You Know guidebook, right? Amazing. But there are links in the description of this episode, and every episode of the Now You Know podcast. There is a link there for you to get the guidebook. And also it's available on Amazon worldwide. So basically you go to Amazon site, just search the Now You Know guidebook or Now You Know Flavio Souza or something like that. And the book cover is a blue one, so you can easily find there. And like I was saying, in the end of the guidebook, there is a section there for resource. I put it a lot over there because this is a guide, right? So I put it a lot of sites that has scheduling posts and other resource. It's I think it's 4 or 5 pages only for resource. So if you wanna save time to, instead of searching this kind of resource all over the internet, I already have that listed for you there. Okay, that's it for today, and see you soon again. Soon. See you soon again soon. I think it's gonna be my my trademark for this podcast. Doesn't make any sense, but I like to say that anyway. So take good care. See you. Bye.
Thanks for listening. The Now You Know guidebook is now available at Amazon worldwide. Get your copy on paperback or Kindle. You can also keep up and interact with Flavio Souza via LinkedIn and Twitter. Plus, check back weekly for new episodes. Until next time, keep rocking and loving on what you do.